Hi, I'm Matthew Hoffman, broker extraordinaire, and welcome to 3140 Golden Avenue in the beautiful neighborhood of Wrigley in Long Beach, California, 90806. Let me show you around.
Located walking distance from Birney Elementary School in North Long Beach, this completely remodeled home has had almost everything updated from start to finish and top to bottom. From the moment you walk through the front door, you are greeted by the open concept floor plan, which has been updated to allow for a spacious and enjoyable experience. Brand new, high efficiency appliances, a waterfall edge counter, an all new bathroom with all new fixtures. The plumbing has been updated both inside the home and out to the street. The electrical system has been updated. There's a brand new water heater, brand new heating and central air conditioning system. It truly feels like a brand new home. The location is ideal in close proximity to the 405 and 710 freeway, downtown Long Beach, and the shops and restaurants in Bixby, Knolls. The spacious backyard is east facing and features a detached 2-car garage that has also been finished on the interior with a window. This spacious backyard is ideal for entertaining and can be the future site of an ADU as well as a pool or spa. For more information, please contact Matthew Hoffman directly.
Hi, I'm Matthew Hoffman, broker extraordinaire. If you need real estate assistance anywhere in Los Angeles, the South Bay, West LA, Southern California, or beyond, please contact me directly.